Go to this house. Trick or treat. Remember you say trick or treat.
He's so afraid of that.
Trick or treat, and then say thank you, right?
Like, come here.
You got it.
They're the nice dogs. They're nice.
Yeah, he'll be fine. Trick or treat.
He's just getting.
Good night. Thanks for coming by.
Did you get a treat? You got a treat?
Yeah, what is this?
You're looking good. You're looking good with your cowboy hat.
You're more comfortable in their shoes than the cowboy boots.
You're looking good with your cowboy hat.
There's more people coming. Oh, there's that lady is open.
Well, you can go back over to it.
You want to go back over there to that house?
Yeah, he'll go. Go to this house. You say trick or treat and thank you, right?
Hi! What are you doing?
All right. Watch your step there, right there. Yeah, good idea. Come on. That door. Whoa. That door right there. That door. Trick or treat. Knock on the door. Take trick or treat. The door. He doesn't see the door. I don't think he sees it. All right, back up. They see you?
Okay. Let's open the bag up. Let's put it in the bag. Where'd it go? Uh-oh, drop one. Drop one now. Drop two more. Two more. Okay. You're welcome. Bye-bye. There goes.
Used to fly. Until
Watch out for the little kids.
you almost posted Christian.
All right. You're doing good, Blake.